What's up, everyone? It's Vinster11, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Gold Tic-Tac that I bought off eBay. So first, I'm just going to cut it open. So yeah. So here you go. So first, I'm just going to get the knife and cut it open. So here, first, just gonna stab it in there. Hold on. There we go. Just cut it open. Sorry, hold on a second. Alright, so I got it open and I'm just gonna try to open it. I cut the tape off. This thing is really packed good. And I'm gonna hold on for a second. Alright, almost got it. Alright, there we go. Hold on. Alright, you can see there's a bunch of newspapers there, so that's how it looks like. And hold on, I'm just gonna open it. There's a lot of tape, as you can see. So a whole bunch of tape, it's like covered with tape. So hold on, I'm gonna open it for you guys. Just 1 sec. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. This is literally like a tape box. It's non-stop tape. Almost got it. Alright, that should be good. So, sorry, there's a lot of glue and a whole bunch of newspaper. So. Take this newspaper out. Those are newspapers. Okay. So it must be in here. So let's get this open. So I'm just gonna hold that for a second. Stay right there. Open. Alright, as you can see, there's a heck lot of newspaper. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go throw this away. Just hang there for a second. Alright, I was going to go out there, but I just saw that there was a trash can under there and just I did not know, so here we go. Covered. I can feel the box. So let's put that open. Alright. Here. I pretty much got it. So there's a bunch of bubble wrap, which is good. It's not bad. Pretty good. So